What kind of food do you like to eat? I like to eat a variety of foods, but my favorite is Italian food, especially pasta and pizza.
Do you prefer home-cooked meals or eating out? I prefer home-cooked meals because they are healthier and I can control the ingredients.
Can you cook? Yes, I can cook. I enjoy trying new recipes and experimenting with different ingredients.
How often do you cook at home? I cook at home almost every day. It's a part of my daily routine.
What is your favorite dish to cook? My favorite dish to cook is chicken curry. It's delicious and my family loves it.
Who usually does the cooking in your family? In my family, my mother usually does the cooking, but I help out whenever I can.
Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I enjoy cooking very much. It's a relaxing activity and a creative outlet for me.
What is a traditional dish in your country? A traditional dish in my country is biryani, which is a flavorful rice dish with spices and meat.
Have you ever tried cooking international food? Yes, I've tried cooking international food. I recently made sushi, and it was a fun experience.
Do you think it's important to know how to cook? Yes, I think it's very important to know how to cook. It's a useful life skill and promotes healthier eating.
Do you watch cooking shows? Yes, I watch cooking shows sometimes. They are entertaining and I learn new recipes and techniques.
What was the last meal you cooked? The last meal I cooked was spaghetti with homemade tomato sauce. It turned out really well.
Do you like to cook alone or with others? I like to cook with others because it makes the experience more enjoyable and we can share ideas.
What is the easiest dish to cook, in your opinion? In my opinion, the easiest dish to cook is scrambled eggs. It's quick, simple, and tasty.